Welcome to my unboxing of the Jordan 6 rings. This version I have here is the white metallic with gold and black ice. Absolutely love the color, fell in love with color when I saw it in the store, and decided to make this my first pair of Jordans. Even the paper's nice. One of the things I noticed in the store was the back of the tongue. 96, 97, 98. Perfect addition to... I don't have much of a shoe collection. But anyway, so picked these up, you know, watching the Last Dance. You know, kind of reminisced the 90s for me growing up as a kid watching basketball in the 90s. Next thing you'll see is I'm gonna do I'm gonna try these on, put both of them on for the first time. So there you have it. Tuck the laces in, tie them with their little shoe straps. There you go. Thanks for watching my unboxing of the Jordan 6 Rings edition. I couldn't be happier with my very first purchase of a pair of Jordans, especially after watching The Last Dance. I'm not going to say it created my want of pair of Jordans even more, maybe a little bit, but couldn't be happier with my purchase. Thanks again for watching. Please like and share my video for anybody that's interested in a pair of Jordans. Thank you for your time.